It's Charlotte Alexa, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Easter carrot cake. Look, it's got little bunnies coming out the top. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and like and comment and subscribe. And also, shout out to my friend Toby for helping me make this video. Toby, thank you so much. Let's get started.
So what we will need for this recipe is some grated carrots, all-purpose flour, some oil, some eggs, some caster sugar, vanilla, cinnamon and baking powder. All measurements and details of how to make this will be in the description box below. So we're going to start by adding our sugar, oil, eggs and vanilla into a bowl and giving that a good whisk using our electric whisker. Once that is well combined and fluffy, we can add in our dry ingredients, so that is the flour, baking powder and cinnamon, and then give that a good mix round before adding in the carrots and giving it a final whisk. Then just take a round cake tin and line it with some parchment paper just to make sure that your cake doesn't stick. Just fill the whole thing with all of our batter and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 70 to 80 minutes. For the icing, you will need some powdered sugar, some butter, some cream cheese, some vanilla extract and some green food gel. We'll start by adding the butter and the cream cheese into our mixing bowl and giving that a good whisk around using our electric whisker. Then once that is all fluffy and combined, add in the vanilla extract and the green food gel. I prefer to use food gel than food coloring just because I feel like it doesn't affect the texture of the icing and it doesn't have that weird aftertaste. Once again, give that a good whisk around and don't worry if it looks a bit dark because we'll be adding it to the powdered sugar and giving that one more whisk so the color will lighten up. To make the bunny, take about a fistful of fondant and put a tiny ball of fondant on top of that to make his little tail. Then squish out 2 smaller balls of fondant with your thumb to make little ovals, and these will be the rabbit's feet. Now just take some pale pink fondant and make those little ovals again, only this time make them a little bit smaller as they are going to go on top of the white ovals. Then take some more pink fondant and tear it into tiny balls to make his tiny little toes. Just repeat this for both of the rabbit's feet because he's going to look like he's fallen into our cake. I honestly love this so much. It is really, really cute and super simple. It's super easy to stick the feet to the rest of his body. Just rub a little bit of water on the area that you're going to stick the feet. Now you want to stick them either side of the tail and make sure they're nice and even. Once the cake is cooked and cooled, squat down to eye level and then using a bread knife level off the top of the cake. And then we'll be ready to start decorating. For the decoration, we will need our green frosting, some Cadbury's mini eggs, our little bunny, some sugar flowers and some green sprinkles. Using a cake spatula, spread some of the green frosting onto the top of the carrot cake and spread it out nice and evenly. This is my favorite part just because look how satisfying that is. Then put the green sprinkles on top and try not to make as much of a mess as I did because I honestly got the sprinkles everywhere. Then place the bunny on top of the cake and then I added the sugar flowers in a circular pattern followed by a few mini eggs dotted around. Then just cleaned up the edge of the cake using my cake spatula. And that's it, our cake is done. It tastes absolutely delicious and I think it is adorable, especially for Easter.
Okay, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this adorable cake. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And also follow me on social media. They're always linked in the description box. Happy Easter and I'll see you soon. Bye!